All right, guys, we got our Audi A8 long body. It's 4-door, basically S-Class equivalent. It's not the long base, but this is the 4-door sedan. Nice trim, good tires. It's got cameras up front, Quattro, daytime running lights. It's a good looking car. We'll go on a little test drive and show you the features. But you can see you got big brakes up front. This car has 80,000 miles on it. So yeah, let's get Alright, put the vehicle on. You get heads-up display, as well as you have a good vision of the road. Super comfortable steering. The suspension is really good on this car. Give it a nice little, plenty of power too to power this vehicle. This is definitely an older model. I want to say this is 2012, 2014 era of the A8, but this is a really just fantastic car to drive. All the buttons feel really good. Put the windows up, but the windows feel really good. Steering is really good considering how old this car is, how many miles. I'm very impressed with how this car handles and feels. Super comfortable. The seats hug you. I actually have the AC seat on as well. But this is a very interesting car. This was like an executive car for someone that bought this back in the day. Now you can pick these up for probably under 40,000, 30,000 maybe. Good condition, honestly. Cheaper if it's not good condition. But I mean, the sound system's really good. I love the, you know, interior. Everything feels very luxury oriented for sure. We'll go left here. Coming to a stop, I mean, you don't have much road noise. Something is loose in the back, I can hear. But other than that, this car is super comfortable. The Quattro system gives you plenty of just power to the ground. I mean, this thing, you can just tell, like, this thing's an executive car for sure. Everything feels very premium to the touch. AC system works really well. It's actually a beautiful day today. It's 77 right now, with a little bit windy. So yeah, see the fuel economy, 15 miles per gallon. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is a V8 vehicle, so you gotta pay to play. But I will say, this car is so underrated in my opinion. I never really hear about A8s. I always hear about the S-Class or the 7 Series. I never really hear much about the A8 compared to those. But they do such a good job with this vehicle in terms of the performance and the luxury, because you're getting a V8 turbo. I'm not sure. The S-Class is probably turbo now. But going back to when this came out at the time, I believe that the S-Class of that time was naturally aspirated. But shout out McDonald's, they got really cheap Coke. Nice to enjoy. But yeah, other than that, the car is super chill. I haven't really gone highway speeds in this, but around town I love the way the body looks. Everything about this car just looks very professional. This is a car you pull up in and you want people to, you know, like you're in like a suit, you know? This is like one of the vibes I get from this car for sure. And the transmission in this car is very smooth. They did a really good job on the A8. You also, like I was saying before, there is a heads-up display. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that's super nice. I believe you have blind spot monitoring. Turn that on. Someone's calling me, AT&T. But I mean, cruising around town in the A8 is absolutely like just so comfortable. I'm really surprised on how well this car was made. Turns are super easy, braking's really good. Hopefully we can make this light, yeah. And then when you just need the power is there for sure. This thing pulls because it is a turbo V8, which I think separates this car from the other executive cars, is just solely based off the drivetrain. They have a very performance-oriented drivetrain, as well as being super comfortable. Because these cars were made for the Autobahn. But nice windshield, black interior, super everything leather pretty much. Nice wood trim. This looks a little outdated though, the navigation screen, but it's all right. I think you can actually, yeah, put it away. Look at that. That's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, other than that, thank you for watching this video, go check out my other Audi content. I also have other content with my personal cars. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, catch you on the next one. Marcus out, peace.